Hey guys, I'm Alex here from Brilliant Digital. We're a top-rated web design agency. I just wanted to take a minute and let you know more about who we are, what we do, and more importantly, why we do it. We're a small agency, it's just myself, and recently I also got my brother on board, so I guess now it's safe to say that we're a family-run business. Now, being small for us is not a disadvantage, in fact, it's a plus because it means we can focus more on the projects we're working few at a time. You will only be working with me, you won't be passed from one assistant to another or wait days for a reply. And on top of everything, it's more cost effective because we don't have huge overheads compared to a bigger agency. Therefore, we can provide our services at much more affordable prices. What sets us apart from our competition is my background in digital marketing. So not only that we can help businesses by providing them with a professional website, but we can also advise and help build a website, the infrastructure, a sales funnel basically that will help businesses grow. So why exactly are we doing this? Because I believe digital marketing is a tool that everyone should benefit from, not just big corporate companies. And by doing that, we make a real difference in the community. We are passionate about what we do. I want to help more people, especially smaller local companies, teach them how to leverage digital marketing in their business. Therefore, we have created a YouTube channel where we do just that. Post regular videos on tips on how to promote a business, create a Facebook page, create a Google My Business, and much more. So go ahead and check it out. I'm Alex from Brilliant Digital, and I'll see you around.